Okay, my partner creates a double fist and pushes both fists towards me. And from here I create a double palm and I put his knuckles into the center of my palm, his striking knuckles. From there he drops his hips and stretches through me and I feed this double fist. And he just sinks the elbow to the lowest part of this triangle and I feel his base and I stretch down and he grounds underneath me. And again, grounds underneath me. So we're gonna do the side horizontal positions, then we go to the two vertical positions and he grounds underneath me, and then we go on to the other side, ground underneath, and then we go into these diagonal positions, and then here, diagonal. So I'm starting off with a very, very light high center of gravity, and then I give him more and he has to ground out, sink his stance and come underneath me with a lot more strength. So my center of gravity is still remaining high, but I'm giving him more tension. So training this alignment, this alignment, this alignment, the diagonals and the diagonals gives you power in your main fighting area. You're not really going out to the side too much. You want to turn your body, if an attack's coming here, you want to turn your body into that line rather than moving the hands out of the shoulder line. So we want to build power inside the shoulder line so that we can make our combination speeds a lot faster, a lot more efficient, and reduce the risk of getting hit. Okay, thank you for your time. See you on the next video.